In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom logos and watermarks in Google Vids. Whether you're creating content for personal use, your business, or for branding purposes, adding a custom logo or watermark to your videos is an essential step for maintaining your visual identity and protecting your content. Now let's dive in and make your videos stand out. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Google Vids. Google Vids is part of Google's Workspace, offering a platform where you can upload and manage your video content easily. To get there, simply open your preferred web browser and type in the Google Vids URL or search for it via your favorite search engine. Once you've arrived at the homepage of Google Vids, the next step is to sign in to your account. Look for the Sign In button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. A single click on that button will take you to the login page where you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. If you've already logged into another Google service, you might just have to select your account instead of typing in your details again. Selecting your Google account will grant you access to Google Vids. It's effortless, and if you have multiple Google accounts, make sure to choose the one associated with the content you wish to manage, or where you want to add your logo or watermark. After signing in, it's time to find the video you want to edit. If it's a new video, make sure it's uploaded to your Google Vids library. To add your logo or watermark, you'll need to access the editing features. Look for the Insert tab. It's typically found on the menu bar at the top of the screen. This tab is your gateway to modifying and enhancing your videos, including adding custom visuals like logos. Upon clicking the Insert tab, a drop-down or a sidebar menu will appear. Here you should see an Upload option. This is what you'll use to add your custom logo or watermark to the video. Click on Upload and a window will pop up prompting you to browse your computer for the file you want to add. Navigate through your computer's file system until you find your logo or watermark. It might be helpful to have the file conveniently located, such as on your desktop or in a dedicated folder, to make this step quicker. Once you've found the file, select it and confirm your selection to proceed. Your logo or watermark file will then be uploaded to Google Vids. After uploading, your logo or watermark will appear on the video preview. Chances are it won't be in the perfect spot or the right size on the first go. That's perfectly fine. Resizing and repositioning is a simple drag and drop affair. Click on your newly uploaded logo and you should see handles appear around it. These allow you to adjust the size. Click and drag a corner to make it larger or smaller as needed. Remember, the goal is to make your logo visible without overtaking the content of your video. Repositioning follows a similar intuitive process. Simply click on your logo and drag it to where you want it on the video. The bottom right corner is a popular choice for watermarks as it's visible without being intrusive, but the placement depends on your preference and the content of the video. Once you're satisfied with the size and position, it's critical to preview your video to ensure everything looks as expected before finalizing your edits. And that's it. You've successfully added a custom logo or watermark to your video on Google Vids. This simple yet effective addition can significantly impact your brand's visibility and content security online. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different sizes and positions until you find the perfect balance for your videos. Adding a custom logo or watermark might seem like a small step, but it's an important one in establishing your video's identity and protecting your content. With the steps we've covered today, you're well equipped to brand your videos effectively and professionally. Thank you for following along. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing for more practical tips and tricks to get the most out of your digital content. Stay creative and see you in the next one.